Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S63 AMG in white. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 45,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, panoramic sunroof, 4.0-liter turbocharged V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number GM4006.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.